Welcome to Iron Vlog number 131, guys. It's late. You can see it is dark outside. It is midnight. I am tired. Got a lot done today. I did some welding. And I'm mostly sort of done with the torso. Minus the head. I have like one more thing I have to add to it. 2 kind of parts that I have to put together. I wanted to finish it, but it's late and I'm fucking exhausted and I need to get to bed. I really wanted to get this done. I wanted to get more than this done tonight, but I'm not gonna finish. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It is looking pretty fucking cool. So let me show you guys what I got. Been working on the armor. All right, guys, here we are. It's looking pretty fucking cool. If you look here, you can see I have the front packs and the back packs on. So those are rounded parts that are gonna bolt on to those flat parts, those flat plates on the ventral and dorsal side of the pelvis and torso. That's pretty cool. That's going to be spots to store stuff like batteries, computers, possibly hydraulic fluid, stuff like that. It's going to be a storage spots for that, and it gives it a more rounded shape, which I like. I enjoy. And then I've completed the lumbar. I think I had that finished yesterday. Yeah, I had the framing done on that yesterday. So that was done yesterday. So you saw the motion with that. So I'm not going to go over that again. But what I will show is I didn't get this file. The pelvis file is getting so bad. It was going so slow. I was tempted just to restart the entire pelvis, but I didn't want to do that. But it took me just to get this pack on and this thing. It ended up taking me almost 4 hours because the computer would have to stop and think for literally 10 minutes at a time sometimes. It was terrible, but I got it done. And then but it was running so slow I didn't put the part that goes in between here to here, so I need to do that. But you can see I've added this loop right here. So I'm starting to work on the armor, like I said. So I just didn't put the skin going in between these 2 points right here, and that would be all the way around. But this gap in here that you see through, that would all be closed. That's the idea. And then you can see this one right here comes up and it covers up. So this part right here, if we switch over to the lumbar here, you can see inside better. This part comes up and then covers up this top one right here. And then if we look in here and we run the joints, let's go back to here. If we go in here and we drive the joint, you'll see this goes out. If it works, huge file. It's trying to move so much right now. There you go. You can see how it's tilting. Look at that. That's pretty fucking cool, huh? So it comes in and you can see it doesn't touch over in here. You can see right there it's not touching, which is cool. So that's how it's supposed to work right there. Oh, it's touching a little bit in there. So I might need to flange that out a little bit. So this is the first time I've actually tried this, by the way. I'm showing you guys the first time I've seen it as well. But okay, so that needs to be flanged out. That's not a difficult thing to fix though. But you can see how this will still allow motion, but will cover all those gaps in here. And because it's attached at the top and on the bottom now, it'll be much stronger. So that's also pretty fucking cool. So yeah, guys, it's really coming along. I think the armor is really kind of bringing it together. You could see the joints before, but didn't really look like a suit of Iron Man armor. Now it's starting to look like a suit of Iron Man armor. So I'm pretty excited about this. Like I said, I want this thing to not just be it was wispy and framey on Draft 3. This one is going to be full on actual armor. Like I was saying, I'm going to be completely covered in metal. That's what this one's going to be about. That's what I said when I finished the last one. That's what this is actually starting to look like now. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It'll be nice to work on Draft 5 now that I have this all sort of figured out, because I'll be able to work on refinement and not having to figure it out as much. So that's the entire point of doing Draft 5. Hopefully, I was thinking about this today, there's a slight chance I might have to do a Draft 6, but at least I will be able to do it pretty quick. The reason I might have to do it is there's one other thing I need to add, which I haven't added to this yet, which is position sensors for all the different joints. And those are going to use some kind of potentiometer to measure that. I have to figure out how I'm going to do that, and then I need to go add it, and then anytime I add something new, there's a chance that draft is not really going to be worth spending money on to get made, because I have to figure stuff out. So if I did have to do a Draft 6, I would just buckle down and I would just bang it out, and hopefully it wouldn't add more than a week or two to my timeline. But hopefully that won't happen. I'm really not sure. We'll see what happens. We'll see. I'm going to add the position sensors. It says position sensors on there somewhere. But that's one of the things that I need for the Mark 1 non-powered, which is my goal right now. So I'm not adding that on this one because I didn't want to focus on more than one thing at once, but that is something I need to add. Fortunately, I can get some really small pots, some really small potentiometers, like really small, like you can get potentiometers that are like surface mount on like computer parts and stuff. So I can get some really small ones, and hopefully it won't be that difficult to get them in there. But that is one thing I have to do. Anyway, guys, it's taking along. If you can't tell, I'm really tired. I've been working all day. I love you guys. Smash the subscribe button if you're seeing this video for the first time. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, follow me on this Iron Man journey. The rest of you guys, I love you.